day around here. We do anything from quoting parts to making our own tools in-house.
We have lathe work, we have mill work, we have secondary operations, we have prototyping. We come up with things, we create things, our engineers come up with new methods, doing things that other people can't do, and we do it quick. So that's kind of our niche, and that makes us what we are.
We're a smaller company, so we work hand in hand with engineers at vendors, and a lot of times we will make changes on the fly without even having to print to change the part.
Engineered plastics is a very strange field. I mean, you take engineers that want a product that can yield a higher temperature, more wear. It's a constant battle in the marketplace to come up with a better valve. And consequently, it's an ever-changing market. We have to adapt quickly, and we have to get the people in place, the engineering body in place to make that happen. I mean, we have to move fast, and that's what we pride ourselves.
We are able to do small runs to high volume runs. The nice thing is we've also got a wide variety of equipment. No matter what you're asking for, chances are we're able to machine for you and machine it for you quickly.
We are willing to do whatever it takes to get the job done. There's lots of shops out there, but customer service is what separates us from any other machining company out there. It's the willingness to do what it takes to get the job done.
Most of the employees we hire are family or friends, so we are able to work long hours, turn parts around quickly. We are able to work a full 24-hour shift in most cases with very little notice. Hard work means putting in the time and getting it done, no matter what the cost.
All of our employees at Accumatics are willing to go the extra distance to do what it takes to keep the customer satisfied. Period. If you're looking for something that other manufacturing companies can't do, we're the company to come to. When it comes to innovation, it comes to speed, it comes to customer satisfaction, we're the company